So hello guys, thanks for tuning in to our channel. This is our 2021 CA Corvette. Jadrian, our master tech, is replacing the rear emergency brakes.
They didn't have the safety pins on here.
Oh, so it looks like
On either of them.
Whoever had this vehicle prior to us purchasing it.
Yo, there's no pad in here. In this, there's a pad right here, but there's no pad in the back one.
So that may have been the whole reason it was squealing. We did replace the front brakes and the rear brakes, but we've learned that the C8s have some sort of proprietary issue with the squealing of brakes even after you replace them. So we have to put I think it's a copper grease on the sides of the brakes, and I think some on the back. There's a YouTube for that. Anyway, Jadrian already did the passenger side, looks great. Now we're doing the driver side. Just found out that we're missing a emergency rear brake there, and we're gonna replace those as well. And I will upload the results once he's done. But thanks for tuning in.